Here we go. Okay, Mom, you got the video from Uncle Ralph, and he was surprised to see who you were and hear from you. So now we're going to have you talk to him some more. I'm just going to tape it while you talk, okay? So go ahead. Tell him what you want to say.
I'm supposed to remember something about Uncle Ralph. That's my brother.
That's right.
And it's Ralph Francis Triber.
That's right.
And my name is Jean Maxine Triber Smith.
That's right.
And Uncle Ralph, my brother Ralph, have you been behaving yourself? Have you been behaving yourself, Uncle Ralph? My brother, my little brother Ralph that I used to take care of.
That's the one. Whoops.
And changed his diapers and gave him the bottle.
Is that right?
And we're 8 years difference. And I was older than you, 8 years. And I used to take care of you like you were my own baby. In many ways.
Oh, no.
I won't get into the details. Ralph, I hope you've been behaving yourself. Because if you haven't, I'm coming back there and get you.
So how are you feeling, Mom? You feel okay? Feel good?
Yeah, I'm full.
Yeah, that's because we had a brunch today for Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
They had a big brunch here for the families.
I ate everything they gave me.
And 3 desserts.
If you were counting, I trust what you say.
Yes. Well, you love those desserts when they have them. There was good food. Yeah. Good company.
And you came.
I did.
That made the day.
Thank you very much.
Because you are my daughter, only daughter.
Yeah.
I have a son, but he's in Oregon.
Yeah.
Because he loves it in Oregon and hated Iowa. I guess, I don't know. But he was my little brother, and I used to take care of him like he was my own child.
Yeah.
And he gets embarrassed every time I talk about it. Thinks I tried to mimic my mother.
Okay.
Humongous breasts she had.
That's enough. That isn't. Okay, that's enough, you nutcase.
End of story. Goodbye. Get off the phone.
All right, anything else you want to tell them about what you've been doing here?
No, I'm just...
You went to Mass this morning, right?
Oh, yeah, and I do everything they tell me to or ask me to, and I eat everything they give me.
Yeah, but you get to go to Mass, and you get communion during the week.
Yes.
And...
I'm holy, holy, holy.
And I'll show you, this is her room. And...
Show my teddy bear.
Oh, whoops, someone's walking by outside.
My teddy bear that
it's nice. Oh, you don't really probably care about the room. It's like a little apartment. It's very nice. Okay. Okay, Mom, you're in one of those moods. Anything else you want to say?
But I'm talking to my little brother, Ralph.
You are. He's going to see this up close and personal.
I used to take care of you, little Ralph, and I don't care what you thought, but my mother had humongous breasts.
That's okay. I think this interview is over. Blow a kiss goodbye. Blow a kiss goodbye. Okay. Okay.